Hello students, my name is Kasif Ansari, and with the release of the RRB JE vacancies, you are getting a golden opportunity to work with the India's largest employment sector, the Indian Railways. This is happening after a gap of 3 years, so it's very important to use this time to prepare well. Let us tell you how you can do that. Usually, aspirants are fluent and comfortable in reasoning and quant. But general studies, which is vast syllabus and inaccessible content, becomes a difficult section to tackle. In this course, we will tell you exactly what to study and what to leave out. And that makes all the difference. Mr. Zubair Ehsani will help you to tackle the general science section, which will help you to understand the concept of physics, chemistry, and biology. In this course, we will cover all the important topics thoroughly. This course is designed by expert faculty with decades of experience. You will get 65 plus live classes, 1000 plus practice questions, 8 weekly quizzes, doubt resolution sessions, and 10 mock tests to make you exam ready.